So this is the last stop of our little trip to Belgium. And yeah, as you can see, I'm just standing in the middle of this frozen lake. And there's a couple of nice images here. You see there's this little tree here with some islands in front of it, which I just shot. It was really nice. And when I look down, you have all these ice crystals. Let me try to show you. You can see there's this beautiful, crystals of ice on top of this frozen lake. And I think it's really stunning, and the sun is about to set in front of us, so I'm gonna look for a nice composition. Hopefully I can find one. And I'm just hoping that no one's gonna ruin the shot with their footprint. So there are a lot of photographers on this lake, so let's see if we can find something spectacular. So I found this little bush here in the middle of the ice, and I'm just trying to frame it up with only ice around it and just this last sunlight hitting those grasses. And it's pretty nice. I think the sunlight is a bit harsh to include the sun. The dynamic range isn't that good, but I just really like that no one has walked around this bush, so all the ice crystals around it are still in really nice form. So that's pretty nice actually. So hopefully this shot's gonna work out. So I'm gonna take the shot, and here it is. So I think I just found a nice composition over here, but I was sitting in someone else's frame, so I really rushed in. The only problem was there was some bokeh or light rays in the bottom right, some thing I'm really bothered with. So what I did in this shot, first I took a normal picture, and then I took another picture with my finger just in front of the sun. So I'm going to blend these two images together. So I'm going to blend the top half of the first frame and then the bottom half of the second frame into one shot. So hopefully that's going to work out. I used the tripod, the self-timer, and then I had to rush out of here because, yeah, as you can see behind me, there are some other people trying to do exactly the same as I am. So yeah, I'm just going to walk around here, see if I can find some nice trees to photograph, and hopefully, hopefully that's going to work out. So just look at the sky behind me, just beautiful pink glow is coming into the sky. So I'm actually using this pathway here and this little tree as a focus point, and then yeah, something in the back there. So I'm just hoping that it's going to work out. So the sun has set now, it's behind those hills in the background. So I think our Belgium trip is almost over, but yeah, with this pink clouds or pink sky, I just hope I can find some characteristic tree somewhere that I can still make a nice shot of. So let's see if we can find that. So I wasn't expecting anything anymore, and then I just noticed this behind me. There's this beautiful S-curved road here with two black, yeah, black driving lanes in it. Yeah, leading towards where the sun has just set, and yeah, I think it's just an amazing shot. So yeah, I just couldn't resist taking this image. So yeah, I took a portrait one, horizontal one. Hopefully these worked out fine, and I think just a beautiful little scene, and especially when you don't expect to shoot anything anymore, and you can still find something that you're actually pretty happy about, and it just feels really good. So if this is working out, this is the shot. So I think this is the end of my little Belgium trip, and the end of this video, of course. So I just hope you like the video and like the photos. And yeah, it was a really long, exhausting day, terribly cold, but yeah, absolutely worth it. I might end up a couple of more times here this winter when conditions are right. So let's hope for that. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please push the thumbs up button. You will massively help this channel. And if you didn't already, then please push the subscribe button. And yeah, you will get a message when I release my next video. So hope to see you on the next video. See you next Sunday. Bye for now.